Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can turn off your contacts on Snapchat, and it's pretty simple. Follow the step. And before I show you the step, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit the subscribe to our channel. Now if you turn off your contact on Snapchat, then all of your synced contacts are not going to be shown on your Snapchat, so you need to be ready for that as well. So follow the step. First thing, you want to click on your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen. Once you click on your profile picture, it's going to bring you to your Snapchat profile. Over here, click on the setting icon at the top right of your screen. Now once you're inside your setting, you want to scroll a bit down until you see this option called contact, and it's going to be inside additional service. So click on contacts, and over here it says share contact with Snapchat. Just turn this off and click on confirm. Once you do that, you just turned off your contact from Snapchat. And the other way to turn off your contact on Snapchat is through settings. So there's basically two ways. So the other way is just open your setting first on your iPhone and then keep on scrolling down until you see Snapchat. And once you see Snapchat over here, click on it. So as you guys can see, I can see Snapchat over here. I will click on it, and the top option where it says contact, I will turn it off. Now what this did is now my iPhone does not allow Snapchat to access my contact. So that's the other way to do it. That's how you guys can turn off your contact on Snapchat. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys in my future video. Bye bye until then.